Link the remote control safety chain with a red dot mark on one end. Plug in the device lock interface. One end of the power adapter is connected to the socket. The other end connects to the power connector in the center of the backplane. Plug flat table side up into the power connector. Connect handle switch interface and fiber optic interface. Put the handle with the red dot mark. Align device red dot connector. Insert handle switch interface. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the protective cap of the fiber optic connector. Remove the protective cap on the device's fiber optic connection port. Gently insert the fiber optic connector into the fiber optic connector. And rotate clockwise to tighten. Coil the fiber carefully. The fiber should not be folded. Remove the protective cap and keep it as a spare. Small area non-contact head installation. Please be careful not to touch or contaminate the window sheet during installation. Avoid contamination and scratches on window pieces. Check if the emergency stop switch pops up. If it is pressed, unscrew it clockwise. Press the main power switch on the back of the device, operators and related personnel. Please wear protective glasses in advance. Pets should also remember to wear protective glasses in advance, so as not to accidentally hurt the eyes. Click the turn button on the side of the device. The power indicator light is on. Enter the password. The device enters the main interface. There are physical therapy models and surgical models. Select the laser physiotherapy mode. The device will remind the user to wear laser goggles. The pet classification will appear on the interface. Dogs, cats, horses, exotic pets. There are also custom patterns. Other large animals can refer to horses. Built-in a variety of preset plans to choose from. After selecting the pet category, select chronic and acute according to the type of disease. Select the pet's part type again. Deep or shallow hair or skin. And pet weight. Finally, a treatment plan is generated. Check the above information. Click to confirm. In default plan mode, all parameters are not adjustable. Click on the lower right corner of the screen to switch to standby and prepare. Click on the lower left corner of the screen. The brightness of the indicator light can be adjusted. After pressing the switch on the handle starts firing lasers. Blue breathing light flashing. With a beep beep beep. In addition, in custom mode, users can adjust the parameters as needed, including power adjustment, frequency adjustment, duty cycle adjustment, treatment time adjustment. The frequency indicates the number of pulses released by the laser per second. Adjustable up to 1 kHz. The higher the duty cycle, the higher the somatosensory temperature. Click the 650 nanometers switch for wound healing mode. And the duty cycle does not exceed 15%. After pressing the switch on the handle starts firing lasers. Blue breathing light flashing. With a beep beep beep. When treating, please make a wide sweep before making a cross sweep. When treating a fracture, the power setting is 30 watts and the pulse duty cycle is adjusted to 50%. Start with a wide sweep of the fracture area. It can then be irradiated in a circular motion or in a cross-wrap method. When treating bite wounds. Power setting 30 watts, pulse duty cycle adjusted to 10%. Turn on the 650 nanometers switch. Start with a wide sweep of the bite area. It can then be irradiated in a circular motion or in a cross-wrap method. For postoperative wound repair. Power setting 30 watts, pulse duty cycle adjusted to 20%. Turn on the 650 nanometers switch. Start with a wide sweep of the bite area. Replacement of dental treatment heads for stomatitis. Power setting 2 watts, pulse duty cycle adjusted to 90%. Average power is less than or equal to 2 W when using the dental treatment head. You can draw circles or cross sweeps over the affected area. Replacement of dental treatment heads for ear infections. Power setting 2 watts, pulse duty cycle adjusted to 90%. Average power is less than or equal to 2 W when using the dental treatment head. You can draw circles or cross sweeps over the affected area. Press the finger switch on the handle. Long press the standby switch. You hear a beep. The system shuts down. First unplug the connection handle switch interface, then pull the fiber optic connector out of the fiber optic interface. Timely installation of fiber optic protective caps. Prevent fiber from touching, scratching, contamination. Remove the surgical fiber. Replace the surgical fiber optic connector and insert the fiber optic connector. No touching or rubbing of fiber ends, otherwise the fiber will be damaged. Install the surgical bracket above the device. Fiber optic suspension bracket. If necessary, bad optical fibers can be removed. To clean and sanitize the following: spray alcohol onto the cloth first. Spray disinfectant onto cloth, for example, Neosporin. Wipe the optical fiber with a cloth. You need to wipe about 1 meter of optical fiber. Before using the optical fiber, please remove the optical fiber protective cover. Clean the fiber strippers after each use. Pull out a little fiber support channel. Stick the blade cleaning brush into the blade opening to clean back and forth. Insert a foot switch on the back of the device. Click the switch on the side of the device to enter the main interface. Enter password. Select surgical mode. The device will remind the user to wear laser goggles. There are dentistry, dermatology, otolaryngology, sterilization and endoscopic surgery are optional. There are also custom patterns. Install the surgical handle to hold the pen and tighten the tail cap. Exposed fiber optic part is around 3 centimeters. Users can operate the project as needed. Select the corresponding type adjustment parameter. Includes power, time, countdown, etc. Select the adjustment pulse mode and repeat the pulse. Adjustable pulse width, time interval. Under single pulse, the pulse width can be adjusted. Click on the lower right corner of the screen. Red emission indicator light is on. Press the foot switch. Laser starts firing. Release the pedal. Turn off the machine after use at the end of the operation. Long press the standby switch. You hear a beep. The system shuts down. Storage fiber is not foldable.